Okay, part 6, the last tomb. Copernicus was buried in Fromburg Cathedral in Poland, but in unmarked grave. What does this mean? Because generally in a Catholic religion you can find everybody in a cemetery. So everybody have own grave, so it's very easy to find someone. But especially for people which work in a church, they can be buried inside the castle, somewhere inside the castle. Unfortunately, he was in unmarked grave. People which know a lot about the history say it's normal. It was like that, so it's nothing special. But what was the problem? Because after 40 years, they prepare a special table like this one and put this table to the Copernicus tomb. But it was not the place when he was. So people during the many years looking for his tomb. In 19th centuries, in 20th centuries, without any result. In the 20th century, some historians found some information that canons, every canon have own altar. So every canon have own altar and care about this altar. You see, in a church you have a many altar, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So many altar. And they found that the Copernicus have some special altar. So they start to looking for his tomb below this altar. It was in 2004. So team from Poland, led by Jerzy Gąsowski, began a new search. And in August 2005, after scanning beneath the cathedral floor, they discover what they believe to be Copernicus' remains. Obviously, you can ask, okay, but it was a grave with many people inside, so how to discover that it's Copernicus? What are you looking for? So first point, Copernicus had 70 years when he died. So it was unusual, completely unusual in this time, because people not lived as long time in this time. So it was the first point. And the second point, which everybody know now, is DNA test. So they checked the DNA of body which they found, not body but only bones, and found some hairs in a book which Copernicus had in the past. And they proved that DNA is exactly the same. So now we believe that they really found the Copernicus body. After that, in the Polish Central, they reconstruct a face from the skull. And you see on the picture how this reconstruction looks. Okay, so now part 7, and I would like to answer that we still remember Nicolaus Copernicus in Poland. How do you think? Maybe without commentary, I only show you how many monuments you can find in Poland. So in Warsaw, in Wrocław, in Krakow, Toruń, Olsztyn, and this one is very special. Maybe if someone will be in Poland, there is a mine in Wieliczka. So this monument is underground, very deep underground. So it's in Wieliczka mine. So if someone visited, maybe seen this. This is Copernicus underground. Also in Krosno, Łódź, and much more. We also have a Copernicus Science Center in Poland. It contains over 450 interactive exhibits. And in 2018, since its opening, it had been visited over 2 million people. So it's very new, very big and beautiful place to visit in Warsaw. Yeah, we also have Copernicum as a new element. So not only in Poland, but also in the world, people remember about the Copernicus. And not only in Earth, but even in space, we have a Copernicus. So you see here on the left the crater Copernicus on the Mars and the crater Copernicus on the Moon. And at the end, I would like to introduce a little bit or say welcome to Poland and show how beautiful is in Poland. In Poland we have mountains, we have thousands of lakes in this region, which we call Mazurian, and also we have a beautiful seaside. And at the end, obviously, should be my place when I live now. So I also invite you to visit Gdańsk when I live now. And thank you for your attention.